Thank you very much, Gary and Jerry and others for your kind introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to join you on this milestone occasion for both Porter and Bombardier. It is now more than 4 years since Bombardier first hosted us on February the 2nd, 2006, right here at Downstream. This is where we revealed our formal intentions to build a regional airline network based at Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport and redefine the short-haul flying experience. The Porter Airlines name and brand were also first unveiled right here in Downstream. So to be back here again today with the 20th Porter aircraft and the 300th Q400 for this program as a backdrop speaks to the commitment and the persistence of a large number of people, many of whom are right here today and who have been highly supportive in every way right from the beginning.